Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stops working properly, the screen does not respond to your touches and you cannot do anything. In order to do that, we have to press the power button, which is right here, and the volume up button together and wait until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons and let's ignore this restart option because let's pretend that we cannot tap on it, right? So keep pressing both of those buttons. And as you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a good sign. I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo, which simply means that in a second our device will be restarted and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.